show you these transformable fidget spinners that we have. These are really cool fidget spinners. Great for any kid who likes to fidget, especially for sensory or ADHD kids. Let's open them up. That comes in a pack of 4. Blue, yellow, purple, and red. So you can see the 4-pack here. They bend in all sorts of directions. So you can form them like little people. They can stand up if you make them that way. These can also be used for little holders for your phone or devices. You can hold them up. So fun to play with and fidget with.
Mom makes the monster
and create.